Today, we're doing a build review for Aoshima's NISMO R35 GTR kit, part of their Snap Car series of kits. I had fun building this one. Everything fit nicely. There were no fit issues to speak of. The right side headlight lens didn't fit tight, so it needed some glue. For the most part, I built this in the spirit of the kit. I did paint all the carbon parts, the hood, the front fascia piece, the side skirts, the rear bumper valance, the roof, and the wing. I used a mix of Testors graphite and Tamiya black, LP black, thinned with Mr. Thinner. I used a mixture of decals and stickers. I used the wheel stickers as I was having some issues with the wheel decal, the ring, to get it on there, and I didn't want to do that times 4, so I went ahead and used the stickers. Everything else is decals. I painted the rotors with AK Extreme Metal Titanium. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thank you for watching.